Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're talking about something that's super important for building long-term wealth investing in the stock market. Now, I know a lot of you might be thinking, investing? Isn't that risky? And yeah, it can be, but it can also be incredibly rewarding, especially if you're smart about it. That's why in this video, we're diving deep into the best stocks to buy in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this guide will give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. We'll be covering everything from market trends and predictions to specific stock picks and strategies for finding those hidden gems that could skyrocket your portfolio. So, if you're ready to potentially 10 times your money and set yourself up for financial freedom, grab your notebooks, buckle up, and let's get started. Alright, before we get into specific stocks, we need to talk about the big picture, the overall stock market. Now, predicting the market is like trying to predict the weather in 5 years. It's practically impossible to be 100% accurate. But we can look at historical trends, economic indicators, and emerging technologies to make some educated guesses. One thing to keep in mind is that the market tends to move in cycles. We have bull markets where prices are going up and bear markets where prices are going down. Right now we're in a period of high inflation and rising interest rates, which can create some volatility. But remember, market downturns are a natural part of the cycle. They can even be opportunities to buy stocks at a discount. Looking ahead to 2025, some experts believe we could be entering a new bull market, fueled by things like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, and the continued growth of e-commerce. Of course, there are always risks. Geopolitical events, unexpected recessions, even another pandemic could throw things off track. That's why it's crucial to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket. We'll talk more about that later. But the key takeaway here is that while we can't predict the future of the market with certainty, understanding the potential trends and factors at play can help you make smarter investment decisions. Okay, so you're ready to start investing, but you're not sure where to begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, you need to open a brokerage account. This is like your gateway to the stock market. There are tons of brokerage apps out there like Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, and more. Do your research, compare fees, and choose one that fits your needs. Once you've got your account set up, it's time to fund it. Now here's a crucial tip: only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't invest your rent money, your emergency fund, or money you're counting on in the short term. Investing is a long game. Next, decide how much you want to invest in each stock. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now you can buy individual stocks or invest in index funds and ETFs, which are like baskets of stocks that track a specific market sector. For beginners, I often recommend starting with index funds because they offer instant diversification and lower risk. As you gain more experience, you can start exploring individual stocks. But always do your research. Now let's talk about multibaggers. Those elusive stocks that have the potential to double, triple, or even 10 times your money. Finding these winners is the holy grail of investing. So how do you spot them? One key factor is looking for companies with a strong competitive advantage, also known as a moat. This could be a unique product or service, a powerful brand, a loyal customer base, or a technological edge that sets them apart from the competition. Think about companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. They all have strong moats that have allowed them to dominate their respective industries. Another important factor is identifying companies with strong growth potential. Look for businesses operating in expanding markets with a long runway for future growth. Think about things like renewable energy, artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, or the metaverse. These are all industries that are still in their early stages of development and have the potential to explode in the coming years. But it's not just about the industry, it's also about the company's management team. Look for experienced leaders with a proven track record of success. Read their annual reports, listen to earnings calls, and get a sense of their vision for the future. Finally, don't be afraid to be patient. Multibaggers often take time to play out. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on finding solid companies with strong fundamentals and hold on to them for the long term. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to build wealth, but it's not without its risks. Even experienced investors make mistakes, but the key is to learn from them and avoid repeating them. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is letting their emotions dictate their decisions. When the market is doing well, it's easy to get caught up in the hype and start buying stocks without doing proper research. On the other hand, when the market crashes, fear can set in, and investors might panic, sell their holdings at a loss. Remember, the key to successful investing is to stay rational and stick to your long-term plan. Another common mistake is not diversifying your portfolio. Putting all your eggs in one basket or even a few baskets can be incredibly risky. What happens if that one company you invested in goes bankrupt or that industry you bet on suddenly collapses? Diversifying your investments across different sectors, asset classes, and geographies can help mitigate risk and protect your portfolio from major losses. Another mistake is chasing after hot stocks or trying to time the market. Trying to predict when to buy low and sell high is incredibly difficult, even for professional investors. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on investing consistently over time, regardless of what the market is doing. This is known as dollar-cost averaging, and it can help you ride out market fluctuations and potentially buy stocks at a discount when prices are down. Alright, now for the part you've all been waiting for, the best stocks to buy in 2025. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on my research and analysis. Always do your own due diligence before investing in any stock. First up, we have the artificial intelligence sector. AI is revolutionizing industries across the board, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. Companies like Nvidia, Google, and Microsoft are leading the charge in AI development, and their stocks are well positioned to benefit from this growth. Next, we have the renewable energy sector. As the world transitions away from fossil fuels, companies involved in solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources are poised for massive growth. Keep an eye on companies like Tesla, Sunrun, and Enphase Energy. Another sector with huge potential is the metaverse, a collective term for immersive digital worlds that are expected to transform how we live, work, and play. Companies like Meta Platforms, Roblox, and Unity Software are developing the hardware and software that will power this next generation of the internet. Of course, we can't forget about the healthcare sector. As the global population ages, demand for healthcare services and innovative treatments will continue to rise. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, United Health Group, and Intuitive Surgical are well positioned to capitalize on this trend. That's it for my top stock picks for 2025. Remember, the stock market can be volatile, and there are never any guarantees. But by staying informed, doing your research, and investing for the long term, you can significantly increase your chances of success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more investing tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Happy investing.